Oh, welcome Yanmar YT347, YT359, possibly even the 235s. Any Yanmar with the cab. I always seem to be the one that unfortunate things kind of happen to with these tractors. I have 2,950 hours on this tractor. It's almost, this is going on the 10th year that I've owned it. So I've got a couple other videos out there about like the air conditioner hoses vibrating and rubbing up against metal, and I did a video on repairing that. This is the handle here that is broken. So this plastic, it's the pull handle. See it moving? This is supposed to hook around this. But I had to buy the entire outside of, so I could put it on from there. $150 at my dealer. So this is the part that broke, this plastic part. This plastic part goes over the metal thing and pulls this door open. So, yay. A lot of wear and tear on that, but I don't know why they went plastic. It should be, hopefully, so I took this cover off, and this cover just popped off. So just be careful. I used a couple screwdrivers. It popped off. I did unscrew the lock mechanism. Let's unscrew this. For this, I took this rubber. This is the latch from the inside, so I can get this on there. I think I'm ready to go here anyway. Looks like I need a couple, a 10 millimeter. Get that off. It was on there pretty good. I'll try to skip through this if it's not relevant, so the video isn't very long. Okay. Really doesn't matter to get this off. If I break it, well, there you go. Perfect. If a guy could just get that back on there, just listen on here. So a little close-up of the metal thing that hooks onto, moves with the inside latch. Okay, so the entire ceiling. Oh, okay. So those do come with it. Great. But anyway, this come off. These are on the new one here. But I'm gonna take a little water and just scrape the rest of this off. There's no glue. Doesn't look like anything on it, just dust, dirt. Looks like it cleaned up really well. Yeah, looks like, all right, that's good. This is ready to go, put in here. I gotta put the lock mechanism on here, but hopefully you can see here. Don't get it too close. So I'm taking this, kind of angle it in that way, the plastic piece. Get that out of the way. And put what it goes around right there. So that's what it hooks to. Okay, now, and if a guy had a couple different hands, the guy is not a mechanic, but can't make excuses. The hard part. I think that was the easy part. This should slide in fairly easy. Oh, whoa. He did it. Okay. The dude just has to slide this stuff back on here without ruining it. Hard part's probably gonna line this, get this line. It'd probably be, if it was warm out, this plastic might bend a little better and not break. Because I don't want to buy this piece. Oh. I don't know how we're going to line that. Don't know if that's on the outside or the inside. This right here, it's going to be on the out. Oh. Yeah. Well, it shows where it fits right there. So, okay, it is. I'm just gonna have to get lucky here. I can see it. I can push up. Oh, and found it. Of course, the man dropped it. Sweeter than you. All right. I think thanks for watching. Didn't take very long. I'd probably have the dealer do it, and wouldn't take them very long neither. So thanks for watching. Ask me any questions if you have any.